Hi everyone, it's me Miranda. I'm going to be unboxing SHINee's mini album, Sherlock. This is the JongHyun version. And I still need to buy Onu's version. This is the 4th mini album. Forgot to say that. And I bought mine at random because I bought mine a long time ago compared to now. But I couldn't buy it when it first came out because I was moving a lot. And I didn't have a lot of money. So I just bought at random because Onu's at the time was really expensive. For me to buy. And it comes with a whole bunch of little mini booklets. Of course, JongHyun's. And keys. And this is what each member's version looks like. The main difference is the case it comes in, but all the content is the same. So, yeah. And I'll just start with booklet number 1, which is JongHyun. That's how I received it. And in that top corner, it just says the 4th mini album Sherlock and the track list. So, yeah. That is it for JongHyun's. Now let's go to key. Oh, I can open it. There we go. I remember when I first got this, I was wondering why Key's theme was more green instead of Onu's. It's like, why can't Onu's be green? Why is Key green? Like his theme or color thing. And that is it for Key. Now we're going to Minho. I remember thinking when I saw Minho, I hated his hair. I don't know, it just didn't do it for me. This is pink. And then Onu. If I'm not mistaken, this is what Onu's poster looks like. So cute. Then Taemin. That noise you hear in the background is my dog. Just FYI, just in case. Where the CD is. This for group 1. All their fingerprints, I'm assuming. Yeah. Thumbs up. And the CD. Maya, you better not step on any of those albums. She scared me. I almost had like a mini panic attack. Maya, don't you do it. Okay, she laid down. Success. She didn't break anything. She just scared me real quick. I didn't want her to hurt herself or like by like crushing one of the albums and then the plastic sticks her. Whoa, whoa. Bad album. Stay. I just didn't want her to get hurt. And I didn't want her to crush the albums. That would suck. Then I'd have broken albums. Well, damaged albums and a hurt dog. That would suck really bad. I'd cry. My poor dog. But that is it for the unboxing and the photo card. Of course, Onu. Gotta have Onu. I hope you enjoyed. And sorry it took so long. There's just so many booklets. And thank you for watching. Bye!